In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive not uploading files. If you've ever found yourself battling with OneDrive trying to upload your documents, photos, or any other type of file without success, you're definitely not alone. We're going to delve into several techniques to help you solve this common issue, ensuring your files are uploaded seamlessly and without a hitch. Let's get started by making sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or interrupted connection can often be the simple culprit preventing files from uploading. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if that solves the problem before we dive into the more technical steps. Once you've confirmed your connection is reliable, open the OneDrive desktop application. Sometimes, the application might not be up to date, which can create glitches in its functionality. To check for updates, click on the OneDrive icon in the taskbar and navigate to Help Settings. From there, select Settings and then About. Here, you can ensure your OneDrive application is up to date by opting to enable updates. Next, let's check your file path. If the names of your files or folders exceed the character limit set by OneDrive, usually around 255 characters, that might prevent the upload. Try shortening any long file names and steering clear of special characters. Also, bear in mind that OneDrive doesn't support some file types and names, so you might need to quickly rename or relocate these files. Another point to consider is your OneDrive storage space. Navigate to your OneDrive storage settings to confirm you haven't exceeded your storage limit. If you're running out of space, you could opt to upgrade your storage plan or clear out some unnecessary files to free up space. If your files still aren't uploading, let's look at checking your file permissions. Sometimes issues arise due to new permissions being set accidentally on the file or by the programs that created it. Right-click on the file, select Properties, and verify that there are no restrictive permissions that might be blocking the upload process. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, it's worth turning off syncing temporarily. Right-click on the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar, click on Pause Syncing, wait a few moments, and then select Resume Syncing. This essentially restarts the syncing process, which might solve any lingering glitches. And finally, sometimes a good old restart does the trick. Restart your computer and allow OneDrive to reinitialize. This might clear up problems that are due to temporary glitches or processes that got stuck. By following these steps, your OneDrive issues should be resolved, allowing you to upload files smoothly again. If these solutions don't work, it might be time to get in touch with Microsoft support for more detailed help or to explore the help available on their official website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in getting OneDrive back on track.